yeah, my name's Nancy and I do beauty and lifestyle videos, so if that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a review on the, hold on a second, what is it called? It's called the XXZU 8-inch LED ring light. So, yeah. So I was gifted this to do this video, but it's all going to be, if it's bad, I'm going to tell you it's bad. I'm not going to lie. So I was asked to do a review on the XXZU LED selfie ring light with phone holder. It's got a 14-inch extendable flexible selfie stick tripod with detachable wireless remote with a detachable, so it's good. So really I said yes, even though I have this big one, because I want to be able to film like Instagram videos and yeah, and take pictures while I'm filming a YouTube video, so I can do like snippets, if that makes sense. So it came in another box, and then this was the box inside, and on it just said LED ring light 8-inch with T ... SE, don't know what that is, and a 10 brightness level. It's really compact, I don't think you could get out. So I looked online and it says it's normally $34.99, but with Prime, I think it's with Prime, it was $29.99. It's $29.99 with Prime. But this is on Amazon, by the way, if I didn't say that already. I can't find it. I think it's just on Amazon. But that's quite expensive. How much I pay for this one? It's like I don't know, because I know you can get 8-inch ring lights for like £10, but if it's better than that, then maybe I will take to get it. So let's open it and see. So let me just show you like this. I'll open it and look at it. So it just looks like that. Oh, I took the instructions with me. This is what it's meant to look like. So you have like the little remote that can go onto it, and you have the ring light, and you have the phone holder. So you get an LED ring light, mobile clip, adjustable tripod stand, wireless shutter, USB cable for charging, the manual, and a carrier bag for the tripod or the ring light. I don't know which one it is. It looks quite easy to set up as well. So it has three different light colours. So it has warm, cool white and daylight, and 10 levels of brightness in each colour, so 30 options in total, which is really good, because you can make it look like a sunset. You can make it like how I have it and just have the white, so it's really bright, and it shows the colour quite well, as we can see with my eyeshadow. So when you look, you have the manual on top, and then you have the ring light in bubble wrap. It's not as much bubble wrap as other brands do, like they do excessive bubble wrap. And then you have the tripod, so the bag is for the tripod. So we'll open this up first. So it's just a plain black bag, like a drawstring bag. And oh, something for that. So you get the USB charger. So it's just a USB one, and the charger bit looks like this. And if you did lose this, I have loads of these little chargers in my house. So, and it has, I think this is the phone holder. I believe this is the phone holder. Oh wait, so you twist this bit and it will go up. So it should fit any phone. Let me just check my phone and see if it fits my phone. Just making it bigger. Okay, it will definitely fit my phone. It could even fit bigger phones. I have the iPhone X. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's very big, and it goes even bigger than my phone. but definitely could. And this is good for travelling because it just folds up and you can twist it all the way down. Yeah. And then onto the tripod. It has very sturdy legs and it has this pole bit, but I don't know what this pole bit is about. So anyway, this is where the remote control is, which I think is really good to have the remote control on the tripod so then you don't lose it. So you can just put it back there instead of flinging it in the bag. It just, I'll show you, it just pops out like that and then it looks like this. So you have that to press the camera, I presume to go in and out, and then it has the on and off bit on the side, and then it just slots back right in there. And then you have the little ball, you have the little tripod holder on the ball bit, which is, you can tighten up. Oh, so that stick, this bit, so you could have it like that and stand it up, or you can pull it up and have it like this tall, or you can make it really tall. It's too big for the camera. Like this. So it goes really tall, so I could have it on the floor and I could film with that as well. Sorry about the wind, it's very windy. I feel like it's gonna be like the Wizard of Oz and I'm gonna go flying around and see witches on bikes or something. So it seems very sturdy. I like that you can adjust it like this as well, because it's easy to pack away as well. It's easy to pack because you could hold it like this to vlog, or then you can use it as a big tripod as well. I like doing that. That's fun. So yeah, it's nice that you can do it like that. I'm actually gonna just stand this up here quickly. Then in the box we have the ring light in the plastic wrap, and oh, we got something else in. I think we have another version of the do we get 2 phone holders? Okay, so there's a okay, so you have another phone holder, I think. Yeah, you have another phone holder. This one can go that wide, and this one you can bend it so it can be like this. So you can hold it like that. So then you get the ring light, and the ring light is like not like my one where you can take the bits off. I'll show you what I mean now. So on my tripod I just have these bits here. Like this is what it looks like without the bits on. This is the newer ring light, by the way, and then you get these bits like that, and then you just pop it on like that. This is well hard to do. So you just clip them in. You want to hear the crack sound, and like they slide into each other. Whereas this one is just round and you can't take it off. So the actual ring light is USB operated as well, and it's a really long wire as well. I like that. And then you just have this little bit like on cameras that just screw into each other. This is so hard to do like that. Nice and tight. So it's nice. It's shorter than my actual ring light, which I like, so I can put it on the table and then it'll be, I can put it shorter so then it doesn't block the light from my big ring light when I'm filming a YouTube video. Okay, so then this bit, remember I was confused with what this bit actually goes into, I don't know if you can see it, into there. Oh, maybe after. That. So if you're wanting to start YouTube and you want to get a tripod, like you're filming on your phone, this could be a really good one. Actually, before I say that, let's test the brightness of it. So I've just plugged it in, so let's test it. Okay. It's going brighter. We're on like the daylight setting, I think. And then we have warm, you can't really see it. So I set a nice warm. See how this is light like that. It just gives me a bit more tan, like golden hour look. And then this is the wire. It just brightens it that bit more than my big ring light. Let's turn off my big ring light and see with this one. So if we, oh, I'll have to, it's not going to be as powerful, though that's pretty powerful if you ask me. Remember, I'm sitting far back as well, so if I scoot you forward, so I think that's actually quite good, considering how bright my big green lights go, and that has millions of light. This is really nice. So let's try another setting. This is the mix of both, and then this is just the golden one, so you can dim it. That's it, dimmed on the orange, dimmed on the white, that's dimmed all the way on the thing. And then you have the little remote control that you can use Bluetooth and Bluetooth it to your phone. So let me just try and do that. This is what that little charger is for, by the way. So I don't think this ring light would be good if you had a camera like I do, because I don't think there's any way to get the camera on there. I don't think so anyway. So this one's just for iPhones and Androids and phones. So it'll just come up right on screen what it says, but it's there, and that will just come up. And then let's test it. Let's go to the, oh, it's taking pictures. Oh, so it'll turn the volume down, up and down as well on your phone, which is nice. I like that. And I love how you can attach it to it, especially because I lose everything. I didn't actually show you how you change it. On the very, very long wire, it has the on button at the bottom. Then it has the lower, like you lower it with this button. Then this is what you change it with, and then this is what you turn it up with. So it stands really good. There it is, stand on the table. So even if I wanted to put that there, like at the side of when I'm doing YouTube videos, and get like another angle on the video, that would be really good on my legs. Overall, it's easy to store away, like literally. It's so small. That won't, if you want to take it on holiday, it'll take up a tiny bit of your, and it's light, it's really light, it's not heavy. So overall, I would say it's worth it if you did want to get it. I'll leave a link below if you do want to get it. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're so close to 300. At this very, very moment, we're 5 away from 300. I'll see you next time. Bye.